One of the biggest concerns for people who do weight training is the risk of getting injured. So that's often one of the biggest fears. Rupali over here has been training with us for about 7 years now, 7 to 8 years? 8 years. And she is really an all-rounder when it comes to fitness. She has 2 amazing kids. She's really active in their lives. She's a runner. She loves coming to the gym and training. So Rupali, tell us a little bit about when you started weight training.
Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to actually address and talk about my little fitness world. I trained with Elite in 2007, August of 2007, and I've been meeting Sunil and Madhuri. It has just changed my whole experience about fitness, and the vision that they have actually shown or guided me is tremendous. My experience before this was I was a runner. I was an athlete, in fact, a district level athlete. I was used to warm-ups, doing my stretching and cool downs and warm-ups and running. I mean, I'm passionate about running. So that's all I knew about fitness. But when I joined Elite Fitness, thanks to Hushain, he was a trainer then out here with Elite. And he introduced me to the world of Elite Fitness with Sunil and Madhuri. I didn't have much knowledge about weight training initially. As usual, like all of us have, the myths that weight training is going to make you bulky, it would cause injuries. And avoid weight training if you're a lady. If you want to be ladylike, please avoid weight training. So I came with those misconceptions, and when I started seeing everyone around train and I was exposed to weight training, I enjoyed it. I'm still enjoying it, and I'm waiting to get back to it.
So Rupali recently had a meniscus tear in her left knee, and she's currently on the process of rehab and recovering from it. So Rupali, what is it, how did you feel when you were not able to train as a result of the injury, and what helped you to kind of get back on the path, if you could tell us a little about that?
Surely, I would love to share this experience with you all. When I got the meniscus tear, it was due to a long jump training, and it was a shock. I didn't know, I heard about injuries, various sorts of injuries. I've seen a lot of friends at the gym get injured, but I didn't know what it was, and I finally experienced it. I guess the first question that came onto my mind is why? Why me? And I guess I let it linger and I pondered over it and also rested my knee. I iced it, the rice concept. I did all that, compressed rice, iced it and elevated it basically. I did that for a period of about 3.5 weeks. And I was bearing that pain with just my elevated knee on a few pillows. I was bearing that pain, met the dogs, and I got a very disheartening response from them. Well, I guess they are a little cautious and don't want me to get back to the world of fitness as I used to be. I was told to avoid gymming. I was told that if I could walk again, it was a miracle. I had these notions in mind, and as all of you all know, when you're passionate about fitness and exercising and weight training especially, when you have something that puts a setback, where you can't, everything was, oh, I can't do anything because I couldn't move around. And in my own little world of self-pity, I realized, with the guidance yet once again from Sunil and Madhuri, who came over and instantly told me to get back to the gym by contacting Bhakti and doing some physio exercises. So this was yet another opening into a world which I thought was shut. The doors were shut. They were opened, and thanks to Sunil, thanks to Madhuri, and also I must say thanks to Dr. Lal, who was the only orthopedic surgeon who encouraged me to get back to gymming, only do physiotherapy, because my tear was a minor tear, so it didn't require any surgery. I didn't have to undergo any surgery. That was a positive, which I now think back, and thank God that it was a minor thing. It just taught me a lot actually. It taught me how to control my mind and listen to my body. That's something which I've learned from this, And also, I have learned that physiotherapy is big. If you actually sit with the thought that I can't do much and are stationary in one place, avoiding to work out because that particular injured part would get damaged further is a misconception. And I'm glad I started physiotherapy with Bhakti. I am still on physiotherapy, but I have moved from being cautious and scared about what I can do to actually doing a normal deep squat jumps, doing lunges like most of y'all. And I started feeling confident yet again. And my knee is showing good results. So I'm very happy at the moment. I have gathered a lot of, I think, muscle strength and confidence. I feel strength training, weight training has toned my body and also has shaped my mind because I feel my brain, which I guess is stimulated. The left and right of the brain, the nerves seem to be stimulated with weight training. I have to connect when I do my weight training. It's basically I need to coordinate. I need to have my mind and my body connected. And I feel this is a huge plus for me. And also I feel, it's a myth that women should not do weight training because I feel your body just tones up. You feel much stronger. Your core works around certain muscles which gather strength and your back becomes stronger. Your overall body structure changes. The stability that my joints feel with the weight training is tremendous, and I don't think I would have gotten it just by running or by doing aerobic activities.
Thank you so much for sharing this. It was really, really lovely. Thank you.
It's a pleasure.